Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken jerky right at home. This popular snack is not only a fantastic source of lean protein for you, but it also makes a wonderful, healthy treat for your furry friends. Crafting your own jerky is incredibly rewarding, offering full control over ingredients and flavors. Plus, it's much more economical than store-bought options. We'll cover everything from selecting your chicken to the final storage, ensuring a perfect batch every time. First, let's get our chicken ready. Opt for lean cuts like boneless, skinless chicken breasts or tenderloins to minimize fat content, which helps with preservation. The key is uniform slicing. Aim for about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thickness. This ensures even drying. After slicing, marinate your chicken for at least 4 hours or even overnight in your favorite seasonings. This step is crucial for both flavor and a slightly more tender texture in the final product.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying this guide on making chicken jerky, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. On another note, while you're busy making delicious treats, don't forget about your ride. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep things fresh. You can find the link for that, along with other fantastic deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to dry your chicken. A dedicated food dehydrator is ideal, providing consistent airflow and temperature control for optimal results. If you don't have one, your oven can work too. Just set it to its lowest temperature, typically around 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your marinated chicken slices in a single layer, ensuring no pieces overlap. Proper air circulation is vital for even drying, which prevents spoilage and creates that perfect jerky texture. Once your chicken has been dehydrating for several hours, it's time to check for doneness. Properly dried jerky should be firm and pliable, bending without snapping. It shouldn't feel sticky or wet. After confirming it's ready, remove the jerky and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This step is important to prevent condensation, which can lead to mold. Store your cooled jerky in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or freeze it for longer preservation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.